Good morning to all. Today topic physical geology in internal structures of earth. Internal structure of the earth, the immense amount of heat energy released from gravitational energy and from the decay of radioactive elements melt the entire planet, and it is still cooling off today. Dense material like iron sank into the core of the earth, while lighter silicates, other oxygen compounds, and water rose near the surface. The earth is divided into four main layers: the inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. The core is composed mostly of iron and is too so hot that the outer core is molten with about 10% sulfur. The inner core is under such extreme pressure that it remains solid. Most of the earth mass is in the mantle, which is composed of iron, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, and oxygen silicate compounds. At, uh, at over 1000 degrees centigrade, the mantle is solid but can deform slowly in a plastic manner. The crust is most thinner than any other layer, and it is composed of the least dense potassium, calcium, sodium, aluminum silicate minerals. Being related cold, the crust is rocky and brittle so it can fracture in earthquakes. Major structures of the unit of earth. The three major structures of interior structure of the earth: crust, mantle, core. Three major structural unit layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. These structures are divided on the basis of seismic waves P and S waves. Crust, it is the first layer of the lay crust. It is the surface waves. It is easily thrown away. Out, outermost and thinner layer is crust. It is relatively cool and consists of hot rock. Oceanic crust is about 5 to 10 kilometer thick. Basaltic composition dominated by silica and magnesium. Continental crust is about 20 to 40 kilometer thick, but under mountain it can be 70 kilometers thick. Composition is granitic, silica and aluminium dominantly. It is mostly how continental crust and oceanic crust upper layer also called crust. Mostly rocky and aluminium silicates is more occupation of the in crust, and a mantle The mantle lies directly below the crust. It is almost 2,900 kilometers thick and make up of 80% of Earth volumes. Chemical composition may be similar throughout the mantle. Temperature and pressure is increased with depth, resulting strength of mantle rocks to vary with depth and create layer within the mantle. The upper part of the mantle consists of two layer lithosphere asthenosphere. Core. Third one, core. Core is the innermost of the earth layer. Outer core 2900 to 5150 kilometer liquid stage. Inner core 5150 kilometers to 6370 kilometers solid. The overall it is a sphere with a radius of about 3470 kilometers and is composed largely of iron and nickel and have a density about 12 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometer per gram. In the boundary of outer core, P waves is marked by an abrupt reduction in the velocity and bent inwards and produced shadow zone, as well by the disappearance of S waves. It may be concluded that it is a liquid state, molten because of the high temperature in that region. Near its center, the core temperature is about 6000 degrees centigrade, as hot as the sun's surface. The pressure is greater than 1 million times that of the Earth atmosphere at sea level. This extremely pressure overwhelms the temperature effect and compress the inner core to solid. Lithosphere. The outer part of the earth, including both the uppermost mantle and the crust, make up the lithosphere. Its mechanical behavior is similar to that of the crust. The lithosphere can be as thin as 10 kilometers, where tectonic plates separated. The lithosphere is about 75 kilometers thick beneath the ocean and 125 kilometers under the continent. A tectonic lithospheric plate is a segment of lithosphere and mainly interior crust of the earth, crust, mantle, core. In crust and mantle, it divided is mainly Mohorovic discontinuity. Crust is also divided in Sema and Cl. These are two between the upper layer and lower layer of the crust. That is Conrad discontinuities. And crust and mantle mainly divided in Mohorovic discontinuity of lower crust and upper mantle. And also, it is divided into upper mantle and lower mantle, repeated discontinuity between the upper and lower mantle. And also Gutenberg discontinuities between lower mantle and outer core. And Lehman discontinuity, it is between outer core and inner core. These are the mainly discontinuities of the different of earth different structures of earth crust. The atmosphere extends from the base of the lithosphere to the depth of about 3,350 kilometers, increasing temperature with the depth gradually. As a result, small degrees of partial melting, possibly as much as 10% in region of the high heat flow. This partial melt is an important surface of the magma and lubricant to is the tectonic moment of the lithosphere plate. This charge in rock properties occur over a vertical distance of the any a few kilometers. The zone also called as low velocity zone where the velocities of a S waves is decreased. So the atmosphere flows slowly, perhaps at a rate of a few centimeters per year. Lithospheric plate glide slowly over the atmosphere like sheets of ice drifting across a pond. At the base of the atmosphere, increased pressure cause of the mantle to become mechanically stronger and it remains so all the way down to the core. This is the interior of the earth crust. Crust is 30 kilometer rocky and 0 degrees Celsius and a mantle almost all 1000 degrees centigrade. It is occupied magnesium, iron, aluminium, silicate and oxygen. These are 2900 kilometer occupation and core, inner core and outer core. These are solid and liquid state, silica and sulfate and different types of sil- layer minerals and physical layers because of variation in temperature and pressure. The material inside of the earth varying in their physical properties with depth in core is entire part of iron nickel core. It is a solid iron sphere. The reason that the iron is solid is that the pressure at the center of the earth significant higher than the pressure above, while the temperature is only slightly higher, while high temperature would tend to melt material, high pressure tend to create solid. Outer core constitutes the remainder of the iron nickel core and is liquid. It is liquid because the pressure is lower. Mesosphere, Asthenosphere, these are mesosphere, the majority of the mantle from the core mantle boundaries is solid and is called a mesosphere. Asthenosphere, near to the surface of the earth, the temperature is still relatively high, but the pressure is greatly reduced. This creates a situation where the mantle is partially melted. The atmosphere is a plastic solid in that is flows over time. Lithosphere. Above the atmosphere, the temperature begins to drop more rapid. This creates a layer of cool rigged rock called the lithosphere. The lithosphere includes the uppermost part of the mantle and it is also include all of the crust. That is, the crust is the upper part of the lithosphere and the upper mantle is the lower part of lithosphere. It is the main internal structure of the earth. Crust in division of the inner space, Mohorovic discontinuity in a crust and a mantle, and it is the continental crust 22 kilometer thickness. It is occupation lithosphere. Mantle is lithosphere and asthenosphere, mostly occupation. Determine the Earth's internal structures. Earth has a layered structure. The boundaries between the layer are called discontinuity. The layer structures is determined from studies of how seismic waves behave as they pass through the earth. P and S wave travel time depend on the property of rock material through which they pass. Differences in travel time corresponds to differences in rock properties. Seismic wave velocity depends on the density and elasticity of rock. Seismic waves travels faster the in denser elastic rocks. Speed of seismic waves increase with the depth, pressure, density and elasticity increase downward. It can be seen in the path of the P and S waves as they travel through the earth in the diagram below. It is the it is the throwaway P waves, S waves. It is a plastic elasticity and a liquid solid stage. Diffraction of seismic waves as they travel through the earth. P waves, it is surface P and S wave surface in a throwaway liquid and a solid stage. P waves shadow is a mantle and also it is a shadow zone. And diffraction of seismic waves as they travel through the earth. Note the curved away path indicating gradual increasing in density and seismic wave velocity with depth. Also note the sharp refraction bending of waves at the discontinuity or boundaries between layer. Not the shadow zone. There is a large S wave shadow zone labeled no direct S waves extending across the side of globe opposite from the epicenter. S waves cannot travel through the molten liquid outer core. There is a small P wave shadow wave seen on both sides, gray shading from 105 degrees to 140 degrees Celsius. The degrees it is comes shadow zone. P wave shadow zone make a ring around the globe. Major layer of the earth were detected before 1950. Fine details were declined in 1960 by observing the behavior of seismic wave generated during nuclear testing. The Earth's internal layer structure and composition. Crust. Continental crust. It is average about 35 kilometer thick. 60 kilometers is mountain range. Diagram shows range from 20 to 70 kilometer granitic composition. Oceanic crust 5 to 12 kilometers thickness diagram shows 7 to 10 kilometers average. Basaltic composition thin layer of unconsolidated sediment covers basaltic igneous rock. Oceanic crust has layered structures of thick complex consisting of the following: pillow basalt, basalt that erupted subaquifolially, sheeted dikes, interconnected basaltic dikes. Gabbro, coarse-grained equivalent of basalt cooled slowly. And mantle, mantle is 900, 2885 kilometer thickness. It is round figure 2900. Composition of mantle: periodites, magnesium, iron, and silicates. Kimberlite contains diamonds. Eclogite based on studies of the rock from mantle brought up by volcanoes from density calculations and composition of study meteorites. Lithosphere, outermost 10,000 kilometers of Earth, consists of the crust pulse, the outermost part of the mantle, which is solid, divided into tectonic or lithospheric plates that cover surface of the earth. Asthenosphere, low velocity zone at a 100 to 250 kilometer depth in earth seismic wave velocity decreases. Rocks are at or near melting point magmas generated here. Solid that flow, rehead plastic behavior, convection in this layer moves tectonic plates. Less it knows about the mantle below the atmosphere. Outer core 2250 thickness. S-waves cannot pass through outer core. Therefore, we know the outer core is liquid molten material. Composition: melting iron 80%, 85% with some nickel. Based on studies of composition of meteorites, core may also contain lighter elements such as silica and sulfur and carbon or oxygen. Convection in liquid outer core plus spin of solid inner core generate earth magnetic field. Magnetic field is also evidence for a dominantly iron core. Inner core 100 and 220 kilometers radius. It is solid iron 85% with some nickel based on studies of meteorites. It is the velocity of the oceanic and variation with earth. It is the earth and mantle crust and core. These are velocity S waves and P waves. It is depth is 6000 kilometers. Inner core, outer layers. The summary of the layer discontinuity within the earth. Oceanic crust average thickness 35 kilometer, density 2.6 to 2.8 kilometers, density kilogram per centimeter cube. P waves is travels kilometer per seconds. Oceanic crust Mohorovic discontinuity is thickness of 5 to 12 kilometers. It is also 3 to 3.5 density. It is travels P waves. Velocity is 7 kilometer per second. And mantle mainly formed in 2885 thickness, 4.5 to 10. It is also 8 to 12 P waves velocity kilometer per seconds. In average composition of the mostly elements abundance in the crust: silica, aluminium, where iron and calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and other. And these are the most composition of the interior earth of some different discontinuities and different composition of the earth. Thank you.